How to easily use promo codes on JoyaGoo. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC, and then in the search bar simply search for joyagoo.com. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply log in to your account. Once logged in, you find your profile icon at the top right corner, tap onto it and then select my account. Inside my account, you'll then be able to find a different kind of coupon codes, and then from your left hand side tap on my asset and then tap on wallet. Inside here, you'll then be able to find two options, balance and coupons. Go ahead and tap on coupon, and then inside here, you'll then be able to find available coupon, coupons used and coupon expired. Also, if you have a promo code, you can go ahead and enter the code right over here and then redeem it. And that is how you can apply promo codes on JoyaGoo. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.